Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning back into today's video. So in this video, I show you how I grew my hair from this to this thick, voluminous, long, natural hair in just an hour and a half. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, please keep watching. So to begin, my hair was already washed and conditioned and slightly blow dried. This was the braiding hair I used for my base. My braid pattern is about $2.50 at my local beauty supply. It comes pre-stretched, which is nice because you don't have to worry about the blunt ends. And this is the crochet hair I used from Freetress. It's a 3-bundle pack and it was about $14. Also for my beauty supply, I chose the Punta Cana twist in color 1, which is like a jet black. I also bought another pack of hair, I think a Jamaican Twist brand, in case I ran out of hair from the first one. Always got to be on the safe side. And then I had to get another crochet needle and some clips for when I part my hair. So the braid pattern I did was very simple and quite basic. I wasn't even concerned about having my partings or the braids be super neat, just because the crochet hair itself was so thick and full that it'll conceal my braid pattern anyways. I also went ahead to leave my hairline out just because it's pretty damaged and thin right now, and I don't want to cause more tension in that area, so I intentionally left that part out and didn't really braid that area. So this is the completed braid pattern. Like I said, a very simple straight back, nothing too perfect or crazy, but does the job, gets the job done. And this is the hair again. So when you're crocheting, what you want to do is put the crochet needle through the braid so it comes out on the other end. Once you put the needle through, you want to open the hook, latch the piece of hair into the hook, and then close it because the crochet needle has a latch. Then you want to pull the hair through the braid and then open up the crochet needle to release the hair. And then you're gonna take that loop that comes out of the one side and pull the hair on the other side of the braid through that loop, and that just pretty much secures it. And there are a lot of videos here on YouTube about how to crochet your hair from beginning to end, very detailed, much more in-depth compared to what I'm showing you guys right now. So definitely take a look at those videos if you don't know how to crochet your hair. In short, this is basically what I've just explained is how to do it. And then towards the front of my hair, I took smaller pieces of hair. So I ended up taking a piece of the crochet hair and then dividing it into two. And just so that, the front of my hair looked a bit more natural. And I did the method in which you still loop the hair through, but then you only loop one tail of the hair, one piece of the hair, versus pulling all of the hair through the loop, if that makes sense. So you kind of see it here. I just pulled through one piece of hair and then I left the other end so that it kind of looks like it's growing from my scalp. And as you can see, the hair got full and thick fairly quickly, and so I had only done the perimeter of my hair, so literally that right there could have been my whole head and I would have been fine, but obviously it didn't cover all of my head. It looks good, and it's cold right now. It's not even winter, but it's winter in Colorado by choice. So having big full hair like this kind of keeps me warm, keeps me covered a bit versus feeling the cold directly on me. So then after I was done, I went ahead and started trimming the hair off camera. I did most of it pretty much on camera, but then I went ahead and did a little more detailing off camera. I also went ahead to brush the hair out and blow dry it so that it stretched out a bit more and it looked a little bit more flat. Not obviously that flat because it's still very full from the end result as you guys saw at the beginning, but just something so that it looked a little bit more natural. I wanted to comb out those like blunt pieces, the pieces at the end that were very pointed. So I just ended up combing that out so that it looks like my hair. Yes, honey. Just imagine if this was my natural hair, y'all. I wouldn't know what to do with it. So here's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know down below and I'll be sure to answer them. This video wasn't super detailed, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of how I did this look in just an hour and a half. It was super quick, super easy. Once again, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The link will be down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one.